Here's some absolutely mind-blowing evidence for the Bible. The Bible records a global flood in the days of Noah, but where did the water come from? Well, Genesis tells us, in the 600th year of Noah's life, in the second month, on the 17th day of the month, on that day, all the fountains of the great deep burst forth, and the windows of the heavens were opened. So there was a remarkable amount of water underneath the crust of the earth, but then because of so much pressure, it exploded, shot upward, and then rained to the ground. Christian scientists now believe that this explosion of water is what created the mid-oceanic ridge.
Failure in the crust began as a microscopic crack that grew in both directions at almost 3 miles per second. The crack, following the path of least resistance, encircled the globe in about 2 hours. As the crack raced around the earth.
This explosion caused the flood rain, but it also shot up mid-oceanic ridge debris out of the Earth's orbit and into outer space, as depicted here. That's where the amazing discovery comes in, and I'm going to let Astro Alexandra do the talking. She just had a video go viral, which was remarkable.
This is the most insane space news in a really long time. This asteroid, called Bennu, is 63 million kilometers away. That's 160 times farther than the moon is. Over the last few years, this spacecraft called OSIRIS-REx traveled all the way there, touched its surface, grabbed a sample, and brought it all the way back to Earth. And what they found in that sample is insane. It's rich in carbon, nitrogen, and organic compounds, all of which are essential to life as we know it, but we've seen that before. The asteroid is also covered in a mineral called serpentine, which looks like this. And these samples look just like the type of rock that we find here in mid-ocean ridges.
Which is exactly what we expect, because the Bible predicts that mid-oceanic ridge material would be found in outer space. To put it simply, according to the Bible, the stuff in here should be found out there. Even NASA.gov says analysis of the Bennu sample unveiled intriguing insights. The sample mirrors the type of rock found at mid-oceanic ridges on Earth. In other words, NASA just gave incredible evidence for the Bible and the global flood. I'm Dominic Enyart, and the goal of my channel is to help you shape a Christian worldview. So subscribe if you're interested in that. This is extremely compelling evidence for the Bible, but if you're like me, you always want more. So click right here for another video, quick video on evidence for the Bible.